And today I'm gonna share some experience to install the RYU. Normally, RYU is open source, of course. It's most comfortable or convenient way to learn the OpenFlow and the software defined networking. And for RYU, each person got their own, like a doubt or problem. So I try to help you to install and solve the problem, to do some problem shooting and solve them. Okay, so first of all, we open the folder. We enter the home. We see there's no RYU and there's no mininet either. And we want to install it, and we type the terminal. So with the terminal, actually, there's nothing. It is a brand new virtual machine, and the version of the virtual machine is Ubuntu 16.5. So I use this version of the Ubuntu, and there no problem for me at least to install the RYU. Okay, right now I'm gonna do the sudo apt apt-get update, and after that sudo apt-get install git. So that's a problem I had before. Let's try sudo apt-get install python pyp. So normally we will have the problem, and let me try to. Okay, so from this we can see unable to log the administration directory is another process using it. That means the sudo apt-get is working right now, but actually it is not working. So the problem may happen, and the way to solve the problem is to restart the virtual machine. So just like what I have said, each person get their own problem to install the RYU. And I don't know why, but for each machine, they're supposed to be the same, and that just happened. So let's try to figure it out this time. Okay, so let's keep work on it. But before we just update, and then we're gonna sudo update get install git. Yep, it's working. Let's wait for a while. And then we're gonna update get install python pip. Sorry about that. Sudo apt install. Yes. We gotta wait for a while because it's like 45 megabyte. So it takes like, let me check how long. Yeah, several minutes. Okay, so next we're gonna do sudo pip install upgrade pip. Okay, so then we have a pip. After that, just copy and paste. Okay, it's here. So just git clone github from github you have com. Okay, so we're cloning the RYU. So let's go to Firefox. From Firefox, we can see, yeah. So we can check like RYU. Basically, you will have the address for cloning the RYU is here. So it was pretty simple to locate it. And after we have RYU, we cd RYU and sudo pip install tools. That might have problem, so we'll show you later. It requires yeah, it's working. So this command actually is installing all the necessary packages for RYU. Okay, now we sudo python setup py install to install RYU. Yeah. Now we're supposed to have a RYU. Let's try RYU manager. If it successfully installed, then it should work. Yep, it's working. And one more thing I want to you guys to know is we need to sudo since I already have the controller which starts at the port of 80. So this command line is very useful to kill all the controller which probably it's running. So we kill the controller which is port of 8080 and TCP, so just in case. And after that, I want to show you another thing which is really important is a sudo pip list. So that is all the packages and dependencies that I have installed, and the version right here is really important. I want you guys to, yeah, I think you can see it clear because normally in this package, let me see that one. Yeah, OSLO config. So they're always going to be the higher version. They probably will install the higher version based on the different the version of a operating system. So and also based on the version where the provider of the operating system. But anyway, if you see the version is not complying with it, you just remove the package and install the proper package, which I believe most of the cases happen to you, may be related to OSLO config. So remember that if you couldn't install it, just type it sudo pip list and check the version for each package, and you will successfully install. And installing the RYU controller into the system actually is always, it's not always easy. But anyway, once you solve it, and I mean, you can start to play with it. Okay. Have a good day. So that's today's lecture. So see you next time. Thank you.